Hi there! Welcome to GTL Live Show today. This is Melinda from Xiamen GTL Power System Limited Corporation. GTL is a professional power generation solutions supplier. We engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service of diesel generators, air compressors, and lighting towers. GTL focuses on clients. We make all our efforts and have a team always available for all situations. Today, I'd like to show you the air compressors model MDS390S7C. The air compressor is powered by Cummins engine model 4BTA3.9C130, rated power 91 kW, 2,400 RPM. Displacement is 3.9 liters. The air end adopts a single-stage efficient twin-screw compressor with SKF bearings built in. The 1-1 engine with louder speed increased gear drives the air end directly through the elastic coupling. The air end works at a long-time low speed, improving the reliability and the service life of the air end. After oil and gas separation, the oil content of compressed air is less than 2 to 4 ppm, 2 to 4 mg per cubic meters of compressed air. The design of radiator performance directly affects the performance of mobile screw air compressor. GTL radiator can be used normally at -10 degrees to 55 degrees. The control system is Easy Air E1. The pneumatic control system is highly integrated with few nodes, reliable operation, clear and easy identification of gas pipeline, and convenient maintenance. The diesel oil tank with large capacity can operate continuously for 12 hours to ensure that there is no need to add fuel for long-term operation. The canopy is anti-corrosion and used outdoors. It is designed reasonably. The door can be opened directly. It is easy for maintenance. GTL's products has the advantages of low noise, low vibration, easy operation, and reliable performance. Every mobile air compressor of GTL is manufactured with ingenuity, with unlimited operation time and 2 years warranty, stable and reliable performance. So far, it has been exported to more than 10 countries and regions, and has been widely recognized and praised by customers. Thank you for watching. For more information about our products, please visit GTL's website www.cngtl.com. Bye bye.